The traitor Mahmoud Abbas came out openly in support of the Zionists. He is facing severe international condemnation for betraying the Holy Land of Palestine in the First Qibla. Palestinian Authority President Mahmoud Abbas directly insulted the resistance at an event and put Palestinian sacrifices behind him, on which he was subjected to severe imprisonment at the resistance forces and the international level, including the families of prisoners and martyrs. A statement issued by the Palestinian Resistance Alliance described Abbas as a traitor and an Israeli pony. Resistance forces also accused President Abbas of trying to undermine a unified national position. It should be noted that in his speech, Mahmoud Abbas exempted the Israeli occupation from the bloody massacre and made derogatory remarks against the leadership of Hamas. He also called on Hamas to release Israeli prisoners soon. He also blamed Hamas instead of Israel for the massacre in Gaza. Observers believe that the Palestinian people have the right to ask where were the characters who called themselves Palestinian leadership during the 564-day Israeli aggression. Where was that authority when Gaza was besieged, starved and devastated? Apart from this, there was a wave of anger on social media due to the controversial statement of Mahmoud Abbas. On the other hand, Hamas leader Bassem Naim said that Mahmoud Abbas's use of abusive language against the resistance reflects Zionist slavery. Palestinians are not flocks of sheep and goats. Mohammed Abbas is involved in a conspiracy to forget the Oslo Accords and annex the Al-Aqsa Mosque, Jerusalem, and seize the West Bank. Jordanian writer and political analyst Charbel El-Gharib said what prompted Abbas to make the statement was probably the US administration's recent direct contacts with Hamas. The move could reflect a shift in the balance of power and recognition of the movement's role in the Palestinian political landscape. Resistance is the legitimate right of the Palestinian people and cannot be abandoned. Meanwhile, Zionist aggression continues in Gaza and the West Bank. Hundreds of Palestinians were killed and wounded by Israeli forces in Gaza for the 38th day. Due to the criminal silence and systematic negligence of the international community, Zionist soldiers have been exempted from the massacre of Palestinians.